Michty Max. How goes quarantine for you? Would you like to check out my latest re-upload of a deep cut from back in the day?
Michty Max. The venomous redback spider comes out at night to hunt and display its red-slashed abdomen. She lives among human homes and keeps an untidy web, leaving her scraps for the males and spiderlings who live on the periphery. She displays sexual cannibalism while mating, so don't fuck with this bitch. Hi, I'm Michty Max, and I'm here to share this lip art inspired by the black widow or redback spider. If you want to see how I created the matching eye makeup, click on the card or check the description box. I did the usual by moisturizing my lips with bepanthen ointment. After letting that soak in, I primed my lips with MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. I grabbed my stubby Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in Perversion to do a basic outline of my lips to get started. Next, with the super stub of my MAC lip pencil in Cherry, I sketched out an hourglass style figure on the center of my lips, mimicking the colorful marks on the back of the redback spider's abdomen. I followed the shape of my cupid's bow on the top and had the bottom lip meet up at the inside, then flare out to give an angular but full formation. Then I filled in the design to designate where the red lipstick will go later. I went back to the black pencil and first sharpened up the red shape by outlining it, and here I can begin to modify any angles I don't like, before filling in the remaining space on my lips to give a base for the black lipstick and complete my basic design. I took Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Red Rum and put some on the back of my hand, and with the Beauty Bay lip brush I began to flesh out the matte lipstick layer. I'm using a very sharp lip brush so I can get the points I want and stay within my red marking area. After I had coated the center in matte red lipstick, I whipped out Weirdo and applied the black shade from Jeffree Star directly from the doe foot applicator, covering the largest spaces of the perimeter of my lips. Then I put some more of the black lipstick on the back of my hand so I could go in with the MAC 266 angled brush to go around and refine the red detail as well as complete the outline of my lips, and add the black liquid lipstick anywhere I hadn't covered yet. Now I'm pulling out the Lit Cosmetics glitter in Firecracker, a brilliant bright red in size 3, and I'm dabbing out their clearly liquid glitter base on the back of my hand like so, then saturating the lip brush from before and dipping it into the glitter pot so I can completely cover the redback spider design on the center of my lips. It's best to pat on the glitter and use a glitter adhesive so you don't end up with sparkly chunks everywhere. After diligently coating the entire red surface, I picked up the angled brush to flick off any stray glitter and clean up the edges, but I didn't add any extra product. Then you have this enticing and dangerous design, which I think looks pretty good on its own, and matches the eye look I have on perfectly. But it could go at least one step further, so I added a baby spider to sit on the side of the mother's back. This is comfortable to wear off to the side like this, and jazzes up the look some more, giving more of a costume effect. However, I wanted to incorporate some more details and make the lips a fascinating abstract design on their own. So I continued with the Urban Decay 24/7 liquid eyeliner in Perversion and sharpened up the outline of my lips. I took this all around the entire perimeter of my lips in a fairly thin line. This is giving me a base for a step later and giving a more defined edge. Next I grabbed the Eye Candy Glitter in Licorice Stick, which is a slate shade, and tipped out some more Lit Cosmetics clearly liquid glitter base on the back of my hand, dipped the Sigma E11 eyeliner brush in the liquid, and then into the glitter pot to create some highlights on the opposite sides of my bottom and top lip to create the illusion of a shiny surface and the curved abdomen of the spider. Then back to the outline and the lit glitter in Back in Black, which is a solid black glitter in size 3, and I used the same method as before and the fine liner brush to take the glitter around the perimeter of my lips. Honestly, I don't think this made that much of a difference. It looked pretty cool in the up-close shots, but messed up the outline, making it a bit fuzzy and gritty looking, and I probably wouldn't do this step if I was recreating this lip. Anyway, I laid down a bunch of that black, and then brushed off any stray pieces with a fluffy brush. Now to properly stick on the spider charm from the Born Pretty store, I used the adhesive Prozade on a toothpick and dabbed a bit of glue on the spider's feet and on the underside of his butt. Then I grabbed him with some tweezers, and I let the glue dry a little before deciding to apply the little baby to the free space of my bottom lip on this side. I held it down with my finger to make sure it was properly stuck down and enjoyed my tunes. And that be all for this beautiful but deadly design. I think this design looks good without the extra details and glitter, but I couldn't stop myself from adding more bits and pieces of glitter and 3D madness. The little spider charm off to the side makes me think of a baby spider hitching a ride on mama's back, but it must beware not to become a meal itself. And don't forget to check out the matching eye makeup, which could work for a Spider Queen makeup for Halloween, or if you left off the spider web, a devil or any costume that had red and black in it. You can find all the details for the products used in this tutorial on my blog, linked in the description box with affiliate links too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lip art tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also check out my band and podcast on iTunes.